We've had such an inspiring and exciting day here at Quarries and Nature 2025. Let's get some reaction.
It's been really inspirational. It's been quite tough recently for the NGO sector and conservation, but to be in a room full of industry experts, NGOs, people working on the ground, people managing it and all pulling in the same direction and being nature positive and thinking about people, it's been really inspirational.
It's been a wonderful day, it really is. It helps reinvigorate you for the work for the coming year, really, and those challenges that you face, it makes it all worthwhile when you attend something like this and see so many fantastic restorations. Yeah, it's a brilliant day, and I'm a bit overwhelmed, really.
As an industry, we can get the products that we did for our modern society, and we can do it in a sustainable way. And for me, it's just getting better. And our partnership with Cranfield, for example, is a great example of that. Keep looking at how to improve and use research for that, because that's the best way.
It's been a great privilege to be here this afternoon, to see so many very worthy winners up on the stage. I'm incredibly proud because a Cranfield alumnus is one of the award winners, and I see that whole sense of a generation who are growing up, who can really see they can make a difference in this industry. This working in partnership between the Wildlife Trusts and the RSPB and so on, and the industry partners to really make a difference to the world. And I look at the younger generation coming up, and they can make such a difference so quickly if they join this industry.
It's amazing. I've been coming to these for about 10 years, and every time it feels like it's bigger and better, not just from the point of view of the people in the room, the enthusiasm, but actually what's being achieved and what's being awarded, and the scale of delivery. The fact that we have a landscape scale awards now says everything you need to know about what the quarry industry can do for nature.
Oh, it's been a superb day, really well attended by a wide variety of people, not just aggregate companies, but consultants, landowners, trusts. So no, I think it's been a superb day, and exactly what we've said all day, it's what we need to promote. As an industry, we need to push that out there to show what we can and what we do.
It's really exciting to see how it's such an engaged industry, which is so important for the stuff, the products that we need for society. The things that make society's infrastructure work is happening here, and actually they're just as committed to green infrastructure and blue infrastructure as they are to grey infrastructure, and that's really great to see.
Somebody said this is the ultimate win-win-win-win-win. You get better water quality, better nature, better flood management, better green spaces. It's just a better place to live. Why not?
Seen a hugely inspiring set of examples coming from an industry that's been on a really exciting journey. From a few years ago, you'd see gravel and sand workings turning wild and becoming wonderful oases for wildlife. But that was accidental back in the 60s and 70s, whereas now in the 2020s, you can see examples of creating biodiversity habitats by design. And this is taking us a step on to realise the potential from this industry, which is essential for the country, of course, but which can be delivering so much more than aggregates, sand, gravel and other quarrying materials, and can be giving us nature recovery, wonderful places to enjoy, and even some resilience to climate change. So very exciting, very inspirational.
Oh, I think today's been a real shot in the arm. It's fantastic to be in a room full of people who are just cracking on and making a real difference for nature. I found it really inspiring.
Very pleased with the both awards, definitely, yeah. Just very satisfying to know that the work you do gets recognised as well, which is all the trudging around in the rain and the mud.
Every time we do this, I'm even more proud, something new comes out every time. Yeah. And I thought, today couldn't have gone any better, really. And, the external speakers were so enthusiastic about what we do, and so enthusing of everybody else as well, I thought that was great.
It's been a fantastic day, hasn't it? 200 people in the room, just a fantastic atmosphere, particularly from our external guests. And I think a lot of people who've never come to this event before have actually learnt something and have gone away truly inspired. And who wouldn't be inspired given what they've seen?